Supermodel and plus-size advocate Ashley Graham has just launched a new swimwear line with a surprising twist. In collaboration with body-inclusive brand Swimsuits for All, Graham's new campaign, Power of Paparazzi, ditches the typical edited photos you find with swimwear campaigns. Instead, the Ashley Graham X Swimsuits for All collection shows off completely unretouched images of Graham modeling the swimsuits, and we are here for it. Read more. Ashley Graham criticizes body shamer who compared her to real model. According to Swimsuits for All's Instagram, they came up with the idea to keep the photos authentic while looking at the photos of Graham from the shoot in Miami, featuring Graham posing on old-fashioned cars in one-pieces and bikinis. The brand wrote, "We thought why not choose these as the campaign images, and so they did." Of the unedited photos in the new campaign, Graham said, "This campaign is different than any other I have worked on throughout my entire career. I hope these images instill a fearless belief in everyone to be happy in their own skin and enjoy living in the moment, no matter who is watching." On social media, people are praising the model for her confidence and dedication to body positivity. Spring bling, add some sparkle to your swim look with jewel details. Shop the flapper swimsuit from the new The Ashley Graham collection via link in bio. Hashtag Ashley Graham Swimsuits for All. A post shared by Swimsuits for All, at Swimsuits for All, on May 1, 2018 at 11:30 a.m. PDT. "This is beautiful, thank you for keeping it real," wrote one person on Instagram. Looking at the hashtag unretouched photos from our hashtag summer 2018 shoot with The Ashley Graham, we thought why not use these as the campaign images. Like Ashley says, "Being authentic is beautiful. I have nothing to hide when it comes to my body." Shop the new hashtag Ashley Graham Swimsuits for All via link in bio. A post shared by Swimsuits for All, at Swimsuits for All, on May 1, 2018 at 7:30 a.m. PDT. Graham has previously collaborated with Swimsuits for All, in a campaign called Power of the Journey. The supermodel posed alongside her mother to prove that swimsuits are for all bodies and ages. The line, which includes 9 beautiful pieces, is inspired by the Art Deco style reminiscent of the 1920s, according to the press release, and is available today on swimsuitsforall.com. The most important plus-size moments in fashion plus show all the most important plus-size moments in fashion. 1/12 Vogue's All Shapes and Sizes lingerie shoot photographed by Cassbird/Vogue.com. 2/12 Swimsuits for All latest campaign featuring Denise Bieder. 3/12 lingerie brand Cosabella drops plus-size label in favor of extended sizes. Cosabella.com. 4/12 Ashley Graham in the satirical Swimsuits for All advert in response to Protein World's controversial Beachbody Ready campaign. Swimsuits for All. 5/12 plus size retailer Lane Bryant hits out at Victoria's Secret with hashtag No Angel underwear campaign. Lane Bryant 6/12 plus size lingerie collection from AdoreMeAdoreM.com. 7/12 plus size model Ashley Graham makes Sports Illustrated debut in swimwear campaign. 8/12 UK's first plus size magazine Slink launches Simon Wisby. 9/12 Ashley Graham models her new lingerie collection. 10/12 Smiled Bessie stars in Calvin Klein's lingerie campaign. Calvin Klein. 11/12 hashtag FatKini hashtag trending on social media. 12/12 Candice Huffine is the first plus-size model to star in the Pirelli calendar. The pieces are available in sizes 4 to 22 and range from $102 to $100.